Where are they going?
Wait, look at the time.
They did it again.
Every day, same time.
For 2 years.
We're here.
Did someone live here?
A child used to wait here every evening.
He promised to come back.
A boy fed them every day after school. One rainy evening, a car accident happened here.
He never came again.
They don't understand death.
We understand waiting.
He didn't forget you, and you didn't forget him.
Some friends still wait, even when time moves on.